All right, we're gonna do a quick walk around here, just kind of going over all four wheels, showcasing that there's no curb rash on it, kind of going over the paint, showing the PPF on the front, kind of taking a look on the inside. And start by looking at the front here. Open it up. You have your car covered there, which I posted some photos on. Should see those in the gallery. Everything's super clean and tidy in here. Taking a look at the rear compartment now. Same deal. Super clean and tidy. Take a look at the inside here. All the leather's in great condition. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote, we'd be happy to assist as well if you use the contact seller button. And good luck with the rest of the auction.